In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn more points using the Binance Rewards Hub daily check-in feature and eventually convert those points into USDC vouchers. It's a simple process that will help you make the most of your Binance app, and I'll guide you through it step by step. To get started, open up your Binance app. Once you've launched it, you need to head over to the Rewards Hub. This is where all the magic happens. The Rewards Hub is an essential feature on Binance that lets you access various options to earn rewards. It's a fantastic resource if you're looking to maximize your experience on the platform. When you're in the Rewards Hub, look for the daily check-in option and tap on it. This step is crucial because simply checking in daily will earn you points. It's an easy win and requires just a few seconds of your time. Make sure to return here every day to maximize your points accumulation. After you've checked in, the next step is to engage in tasks like trades, quizzes, or referrals. Each of these activities will help boost your points significantly. Trading is straightforward if you're already accustomed to the markets, and it can be a lucrative way to increase your total point balance. Quizzes are another engaging part of the Rewards Hub. They're designed to test your knowledge and can be a fun way to learn more while earning points. As for referrals, inviting friends to join Binance not only helps others discover the platform, but also enhances your points collection. As you complete these tasks and accumulate more points, you'll want to convert them into USDC vouchers. USDC or USD coin is a stablecoin that gives you a pegged value to the US dollar, making these vouchers quite valuable. Keep an eye on your point tally as it grows, and start thinking about when you'd like to make the conversion. It's a satisfying moment when you see your efforts in completing tasks translate into tangible rewards. Finally, you'll want to redeem your USDC vouchers back in the Rewards Hub. This is where you get to enjoy the fruits of your labor. The process is seamless and allows you to instantly access the converted value to further your transactions in Binance or withdraw into other needs you might have. Be sure to utilize this feature regularly as it can become a rewarding habit. And there you have it. Those are the essential steps to earning more points through the Binance Rewards Hub, checking in daily, completing tasks, and converting your earnings into valuable USDC vouchers. I hope you found this guide easy to understand and helpful in getting the most out of your Binance experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.